Noting papers allow the DSB to raise issues for informal consultation, distinct from the formal consultation process via decision proposals. This is a summary of Noting Paper 335. NP 335 discusses the proposed NFR Working Group trial. The Working Group addresses feedback received during the Decision Proposal 288 consultation and in the course of the NFR workshops in August and September 2023. In this summary, many details are omitted for brevity. For the full proposal and context, read NP 335. In NP 335 and in this summary, the following terms are used: CDR, Consumer Data Right; NFR, Non-Functional Requirements; DP, Decision Proposal; NP, Noting Paper. NP 335 groups feedback from DP 288 and the workshops into topics including sharing of performance data, future planning and forecasting, the process of consultation. NP 335 provides details of this feedback, including the proposal that a working group could collaborate on proposals to change NFRs. The purpose of the trial is to test the working group approach to consultation on and planning of NFRs. NP 335 discusses the working group trial in detail under topics including terms of reference, membership, operations, trial conditions. The NFR working group would be established by the Data Standards Chair. The scope of the trial working group includes forecasting future CDR usage, gathering and reviewing performance data, proposing changes to the CDR NFRs for public consultation, providing feedback on the trial. Regarding membership, nominations are open to all. Preferred member criteria include representing an active participant, possessing technical expertise, ability to collaborate, monthly attendance, preparation for meetings. The target size is 9 members. The Data Standards Chair will have sole discretion over membership. NP 335 provides additional membership requirements and preferences. You can nominate members for the working group trial by sending email to contact@consumerdatasstandards.gov.au. Among the proposed operational details are: the DSB will act as chair and secretary for the meeting. Meetings are monthly for about 2 hours. The agenda and minutes are published without attribution of what is discussed. See NP 335 for more. The trial will run for 6 meetings unless a majority of working group members inform the chair that it is not effective and should end early. If you have an interest in these topics, read NP 335 for additional detail. To provide your feedback, add your comments to NP 335. Thank you for participating in developing the Consumer Data Standards.